Okay, can we start now?
Please, sir.
We are after a nice sumptuous lunch followed by the equally sumptuous cake, delicious cake. We have our presenter, the first presentation of the warm camp with Pawan, going to be talking about AI-driven military leadership, which is basically a qualitative study of trust, cognitive load, and decision making. Pawan, all yours.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to present my research paper. It's a qualitative research paper. AI-driven military leadership, a qualitative study of trust, cognitive load, and decision making. I start with this point. The future of military leadership is not only is not human versus AI. It is human plus AI. I introduce this research paper, the challenging phase of military leadership. As AI enters military decision making, understanding the psychology of leaders becomes more important than ever. And this study explores how leaders psychologically experience trust, cognitive load, and decision making while interacting with AI systems. Why this research matters? The rise of AI in military operations, high stakes leadership decisions, psychological side remains underexplored. Technologically may process information faster, but leadership still depends on human judgment. I want to explain this in this picture. AI system works on data, speed, and precision. And military leaders works on experience. Military leader have good experience, good judgmental skill, and military leader has good in responsibility. The future of warfare isn't human versus AI. It's with human and AI. The research problem is that despite growing AI adoption, little is known about trust in AI and cognitive experience, human judgment in AI supported decisions. AI adoption is growing faster than our understanding of psychological impact on leadership. There are the questions, research aim and questions. Explore psychological experience of leaders interacting with AI. How does leaders experience AI? And how it trust developed? And how does AI affect thinking, and what challenges emerge? This study explores not what AI can do, but how leaders psychologically experience AI. Okay, human intelligence plus artificial intelligence is equal to stronger decisions. It's a literature snapshot. First, we are focusing on military leadership, then we emerge with AI, trust in automation, then develop cognitive load, and then we can able to human and AI collaboration. This is the quote: the battlefield may become digital, but leadership psychology remains deeply human. I used this methodology for this research, qualitative phenomenal study. I used 12 participants. It's a semi-structured interview, and I use analysis, thematic analysis. This is the research flow diagram, a qualitative phenomenal study. First of all, I focus on research aim, to explore military leaders' psychological experience of trust, cognitive load, and decision making and AI-driven context. The second is focusing on participants. 12 participants, military leaders, corporate leaders, AI experts, and some other units. And I use data collection, semi-structured in depth reviews, 45 to 75 minutes. Interview, I asked open-ended questions. Then I recorded audio. And fourth one, data analysis. Thematic analysis I used. Then next I used trustworthiness. Then I get outcomes. This is the key findings. First theme is that AI as a cognitive support tool. AI reduced mental burden. Trust remain a psychological journey. And second one, trust as a gradual process. AI help reduce information overload, but trust develops with experience. You can see this picture. This is the human mind cognition. Human is very well in understanding, analyze, and take a decisions, and then build trust. Human can take responsibility, review, rely, and confirm. This is my third key finding theme: human control versus automation. AI can guide decisions, but finally responsibility should remain human. And fourth theme is trust as a gradual process. Leaders welcomed AI support but resisted surrendering final control. Stronger together with human and AI collaboration. Human is good in experience, judgment, and ethics. Artificial is good in speed, accuracy, and data processing. My last key theme is that emotional and psychological responses. Human is good to use confident about AI collaboration and uncertainty and caution. And AI supports cognition but does not replace leadership. This is the qualities of what qualities not gained by AI, but this is depend on human. Human is good in this. Perception, human can good in perception and emotions, experience, intuition, and experiments. And AI is worked on data, learning. It's a continuous learning. AI is able to learn continuously. The implications of this research for military leadership, AI training programs is very important now in next coming years, and psychological readiness, trust calibration, human AI collaboration, these are required, and future military leaders must be trained not only to use AI but to psychologically work with it. My conclusion and Q&A: AI enhances leadership, but human judgment remains irreplaceable. And future military leaders must be trained not only to use AI but psychologically work with it. My final words on this research: this research reminds us that the critical interferes with AI-driven leadership is not only about technology; it is about human mind and leadership psychology. Thank you very much. These are references.
But anyway, it was a very good presentation. So thank you for your presentation. And we have something for you, a small gift for your presentation. So thank you. And I encourage you to do some more research. And this time make it quantitative. Yes?
Grazie, Gabi.